The average of 100 numbers is 63. But it was found that two numbers, so 37, 76 are mistakenly calculated as 73 and 67 respectively. Find his correct average if it was also found that total numbers are only 90. One is 37 and other number is 76. 73 and 67. These are like correct values and these are like wrong values. Now this is going to be 113. If you are going to add this 140. 140 and 113 difference is 27. 100 number sum is going to be 63 into 100. So minus 27. Numbers are only 90 numbers. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Now 63 cancels in 9. How many times? 7 times. 27 by 90 is nothing but 0.3. 7 into 10, 70 minus 0.3, 69.7.